very important that when we do this, ask. Don't be shy, ask. Because I'm here for you guys, okay? So I want you to get the most out of your experience. All right, so just don't be shy, just ask. All right, now we're gonna go through the 3 primary tools. How to headbutt, how to knee, how to throw elbows. So now, I'm gonna work this one. The one we're gonna do first is called the double hand clinch. That means I'm gonna get 2 hands on his neck. When you clinch, don't do this. You will fucking dislocate your fingers. Get your dominant hand, that means the hand you goes first, then the other one goes second. So you go like this, okay? Now here, safety rule number 1, when you're practicing, the guy here has to keep his face up and close your mouth. Don't look down, always straight, okay? Now, this is how you do the headbutt. When you do it here, I want you to put your hands, your forearms on his neck, and I need you to push him forward. Just, not enough, just so the head goes back. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna look down on your shoes or his shoes, and then you're just gonna pull him like that. When you headbutt, you're not headbutting here. You're headbutting all of this to all of this. And I promise you, if you do this wrong, your partner will fall down and we have to call the ambulance. That's how dangerous this is. One small pop and your nose, your teeth are out. So this is no joke. So what you do for safety is you pop him here. In reality, you would pull him there. But you don't. You push and you look down and then you simulate your headbutt. Don't pull him. You pull him, he will drop. So you push and you do look down and you do that motion. That's why it's important when the guy pushes you, you have to keep your head up. Because if you sink, you will clasp. You get it? All right. So number 1, so I'm just gonna do you the sequence first. 1 is headbutt, right? When you headbutt here, the next one you're gonna do is you're going to knee him in the groin. See, it's like a switch watch. 1, 2, then from here, see? You go 1, 2. After 2 is finished, you release and you have one hand here, elbow, elbow, clinch. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, clinch. Can you try that sequence first? It's push, headbutt, knee, elbow, elbow. And notice it's not that elbow from Thai, but it's the one where you have one on, you have attached hitting. So you're hitting and you're hitting. The reason why you want to hold this guy is because if you let go, you hit, you have to catch him again. Then you have to do the whole shit. I don't want to do this. Yes?
Why not use your favorite elbow?
What favorite elbow?
Doing this, why not jump to this?
Oh, it's easy. If I hit him once, then it's a pattern now. Now because it fucking hurts. And then this, you will have this problem. You get it? Plus, look. That's the first answer. The other answer is this. When you hit this, and I retract to load up, it's wasted motion. It's a waste of time. Because when I do this, I can do that. Then I can do this, then I can do that. But if I do this, it's going back to a 56K modem instead of having a fucking high megabit, whatever the thing is. You get it? So this, it takes too long. He can do something, you can do something. But if I do this, and I go that, and I go this, it's much more flow. Right? So combo 1, headbutt, knee, elbow, elbow. For the partners doing, keep your mouth shut and your head straight. Do it slowly. One more time. Headbutt. Knee. Elbow. Okay. When you knee, you don't do the Thai boxer knee. It's a waste of time. When you knee, don't do this. Not that. When you headbutt, boom, it's knee to the groin. There. Because that collapses the structure. Now you elbow and you elbow. Don't do high knees. Right? If he's too tall, pull him down. Boom, headbutt. Knee, elbow, elbow. You get it? Alright. Go up, pick up your partner. Now we're going to do a new combo. Clinch up, quickly. Woody. Okay. Knee. Headbutt. Good. Again, knee. Headbutt. Okay, that's your basic combo. In reality, I don't care if you start knees first, headbutts, or knee. It doesn't matter. Any of those is gonna do damage. Then the elbows you do to cut up the face. If you knock him out, great. If you cut his face open, great. Because now he can't see, and now he's like, oh fuck, I'm bleeding. So that's what you use the elbows for. I personally, when I clinch somebody, I like to throw a headbutt right away. One headbutt. When you headbutt somebody really hard, or your training partner, their body goes like this. And you go, oh, right, and then you see they're just gonna drop. It doesn't take much. One headbutt, the guy's out. One knee to the groin, he's gonna be drooling. And you just throw this to finish. In reality, you will keep doing this until he drops. Right? Now, how the fuck does this relate to trapping? Alright, you wanna see the extended one or the short one? Okay, we'll start. Can everyone do paksa, lapsa? Okay, so I do paksa, boom, I do lapsa. Wow, I bet, boom, bam, bam. There's your combo. So the reason why I'm doing it, imagine when I'm out here and I cover the distance like that, the next one you want to do is you want to close the distance, right? So when I do here, so in Wing Chun you do this straight punch. The reason why I'm doing a straight punch is because when I do the straight punch, I'm going to run as fast as I can. I'm going to sprint. And then I'm going to punch him in the face. And you get 3 to 4 punches in the face before there's a reaction. When you do this and you push, you make any other martial artist become a pedestrian, fullganger. They can't fight you. That's their fate. So if you go here, you go, pam, and I punch, punch, punch. If there's nothing happening, pam, there's my combo. If I get shit in the way, I go, pam, straight down, block, 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 pam, there, there's my combo. That's why you need the trapping. Just in case shit happens, you can bypass quicker. Or if not, you'll be like, fuck, 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 and then you have to restart again. You get make sense? So now I want you to do this. Start from your paksa, real easy. Paksa, lapsa. See, now it's a gift wrap. Now, there's the eyes, pam, elbow. Okay, sorry. So again, here, paksa, lapsa. Instead of just clinching, take the eyes out. Now I can see you. There's the knee, there's the head, elbows, bam, headbutt. Finish. It's out. Teeth everywhere. So for you guys, do it like this. Paksa, lapsa, clinch. Now you choose headbutt first or knee. If I go knee, oh great, headbutt, then elbow, elbow. Or you go paksa, lapsa, headbutt, knee, elbow, elbow. It's up to you, it doesn't matter. Any combination you want. You can also do paksa, lapsa, elbow, elbow, headbutt, knee. Doesn't matter. But when you clinch this guy, you don't let go. You keep continuing until this guy drops. That's the self-defense part. We were afraid of our lives, so that's why we continued, okay? So, paksa, lapsa, clinch, and then you start either headbutt or knee, and then finish with 2 elbows. Okay? Go! I know.
Oh, keep.
Okay, one little slice. When you clinch, take the eyes out.
Is it with the thumbs?
Yeah, when you track thumbs across the forehead. And notice, can I borrow my Korean, au pair here? So, when you thumb, just do like this across the forehead. Like that. When you do this, your partner will always do like that. And notice, when you do this, boom, he pulls out, see? It's primed. If he goes down and he looks down, wow, great. There's the knee. If he goes up, see, boom, headbutt. So it's perfect. If you go like this and he looks down, see, he's telling you, get my groin, boom. If he goes back, he wants his head, boom, and then you finish with your combination. When you do this, you're too nice. We're talking self-defense, so you take this. Either you take 1 or 2, I don't care. Remember this, he's not allowed to look at you. He tried to take your life, now you're gonna make a living hell from here on. Okay? So do this and I'll end it in some moral crap so I don't feel so bad afterwards. Okay? Go! Before we end, I wanna give you one extra one. Now, we're gonna start from the reference point here. Okay? Just from here. What I want you to do is I want you to slap this hand, but don't slap it, just check it. So when I say slap, it means this. When I say check, that means you're just making sure it's in the right place, okay? So you have your hand here. As you go here, you're gonna take his ear out, just the drum, this the eardrum, so it explodes. So when you go there, he blocks this, there, you pull, and now you're in your single hand clinch. You see that? You're here. Again, there, then just get the clinch. But one more time. Here, you go around, you hit, he blocks. Pull, you clinch him. Then he clinches you like this, right? Or you can, no, fuck that. Let's just start from here. Let's just start from here. So when you're here, right? What I want you to do is I want you to use your forearm to push there, then headbutt, knee. See that? So all you do is you puff one, there, boom, there's your primer, bam, there's the elbow, and then you pull this, bam, elbow, and then now you're back to the rest of your combination. You see? So it only gets worse. So you're here, you puff him with your forearm, there. That's the primary for your headbutt. That's the primary for your elbow or your knee. Elbow. When you elbow him here, oh, now I take the eye and now I'm back to my combo before. See? Slowly. From here. Puff. There. See? He's looking at you. Boom. Elbow. When you elbow, see, I have clinched. Now I take the eye, I headbutt, knee, elbow, elbow. Alright, time! I'm gonna give you one last one at the end because I have some other nice questions over here. What's your name?
Eric.
Eric, can I borrow you?
Yeah.
So Eric is a big, strong guy.
Well.
You're making me look bad. He's a big, strong guy. So look here, when you get this one, right? Some of you will notice sometimes it's hard to do the elbow because it's holding you. Here's your answer. When I do this, I can't headbutt in because we're too close. So I puff. There's my space. There's my space. You see this? So I've done my headbutt and my knee. So he's here. I can't get space. So I create space. I headbutt and I knee. But notice this one is still here. Now I take this one, hammer the bicep back to blueprint, and then everything trickles again. Now you push. I'm there, and then if you switch to this knee, he pops up. Oh, great! Now you're back home. So the last one, the knee we did in the blueprint, is because you want to go back to your clinch. The one, all the other knees is just to end it here. If you switch to this knee and he pops up, boom! Great! Now you're back to headbutt, knees, and elbows. That's why there's that little switch of the knee. See? So last one. Here. There's no space. Puff him once. There's your headbutt. There's your knee. Take this one. Hammer the bicep. Go back to blueprint. This is a shot to the neck. Boom. And then you go back to any sequence you want, or you switch up. Headbutt. Okay? Yeah. 3 times and switch. Then we take group photo.